Well, let's finish off the trilogy of the Fantic team with this. Brian Bogers, somebody tell me if I'm saying that right or wrong, has now been signed to the team. Obviously, this happens after Rowan van de Moosdijk. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that. It's probably horrible. After he was on the team, didn't race for the first 2 rounds, and then left and now is with HRC, Honda, um, out of the blue, whatever. And then right here, Brian Bogers signs with the team, and in the first race, I think it's Sardinia or Sardinia, whatever. Again, I'm sorry if I'm butchering everything. Qualified eighth, which is pretty good considering who knows how long he's been on that bike, how many days he's probably been riding it. Since this was announced, a week ago, I guess. So yeah, he's been doing a while on the bike. That's not too bad. But still, a week on a new bike, a new team, new manufacturer, everything else, mechanic. It's not that much time to really get used to things. So qualifying eighth in a pretty good mxgp class. Good job for him. Race 1 finishing eighth. Not bad again. And race 2 finishing 11th. Honestly, not that far behind Koldenhoff. He was 4th and 9th. So, like, really not that bad compared to Koldenhoff is a pretty good, I don't want to say top class. I don't know. He's a pretty good rider in the MXGP class as far as I know. And to be right there after a week on a bike, awesome for him, especially for, the team to lose a rider after having paid him and not had him see him race and then sign some guy and finish in the top 10. I'm assuming that's what, ninth overall, something like that, maybe. Good for him. Awesome for the team. I don't know. You guys tell me. Are you excited for Fantic? Are you excited for this signing? Are you excited for the MXGP season? Obviously, round 3. There's still a lot to go. Who's your favorite? Who do you think's gonna win? Probably, we know, but whatever. Comment down below. Who's your favorite rider? Are you watching MXGP? Are you, like I say all the time, are you just an American motocross fan? Because that's where most of my viewers come from. But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.